Join the School Cloud to unlock and share collective teaching resources. From the HiTeach System menu, select Resources for using Cloud. After logging into the cloud, select School Management from the top right corner and enter school name in the search bar. Search for the name of the school you wish to join, such as Alishan School. Click the Request to Join button and wait for the administrator's approval. Before approval, the status application submitted will be displayed in the upper left corner of the page. The administrator will receive a notification in HiTA and can approve the request directly within the app. Once the administrator approves the request, log back into the cloud to view and use school resources, including the question bank, syllabus, and content. The school question bank is divided into questions and exam files pages, which can be categorized by system, subject, grade, type, difficulty, and level. The school's question bank, exam files, syllabus, and content can be co-edited and completed through the collaboration of the teacher team. Of course, in the HiTeach teaching resource area, select Cloud and switch to the school page to view and use the school's question bank, exam files, syllabus, and content resources.